Hey, stand in that hole for him.
Where is it? Oh.
So he'll know to go back.
Oh.
Stand in the hole for him.
Nice job, Radcliff. Oh, Scandal's coming out to play.
Scandal, you want to fight? Scandalous, come on. Get it, Radcliff. Get it. Get it, buddy. Get it. Oh, good boy. Here, buddy, get it. Oh.
Scandal, come on. Radcliffe snowball fight. Look at Scandal.
Scandalous. Come on, Scandal.
Oh.
Scandal.
Scandal.
Scandalous, not deathmatch, sweetie. You want some snow?
Oh, well, they're gonna get cold.
Yeah, and they can go inside when they're done being cold. You want to fight? I wonder how far I can go like this. Radcliff.
Go get him, Radcliff. Go get him.
Going. Bye, Radcliff.
Radcliffe's just saying, well, you're ridiculous. I'm going inside.
Why am I crawling in the top of the
I don't know.
Hey, why are you not doing it?
You look like a moron. Hi, Scandal. Hi, Scandal. I'm gonna dust you off. There's just so much snow.
It tastes good.
I would need some of it. You're having fun, aren't you? Are you reverting back to your childhood? You're gonna dig up.
Had.
Huh?
The one I never had.
Yeah.